It was so cool to be a part of turning a bag of silver pellets into a handmade custom ring. Today is our first full day in Sidemen. It's actually been raining so far all day, so we've just been taking it easy this morning. We do have one fun activity planned for this afternoon, so we're about to venture out. We're gonna brave the rain.
When we left on our trip almost 5 months ago, we both left our wedding rings at home. I got one of those cheap rubber rings as a replacement, but I managed to lose it somewhere along the way in Vietnam. So today we're meeting up with a silversmith and he's gonna help us each make a ring.
I got a ring when we were in Inle Lake in Myanmar, but I'm still gonna make one today too.
I have the sample for the ring. What do you like?
Jessica's got them pulling out stones.
We have picked out our designs and now it's time to get started.
So right now we're melting 40 grams of pure silver.
It's melting.
This is really cool. Whoa! I didn't burn myself. I call that a win. It's still on fire, wow.
Water because you still practice, not burn your hand. Yeah.
Now we're headed outside to use the hammer.
Where, yeah?
Oh, you want it to be a square?
Yes.
Hold it like this. It doesn't sound like it sounds when you do it.
More power, yeah.
Uh-oh, I'm bending it. So
Oh, it's okay.
I don't think it's a square. He's gonna fix that. Now it looks like a square.
Oh, he's cutting it in half.
Oh. Miles's, mine.
All right, back inside. What's next?
Next, again. You can
Burn again.
Yeah.
Jess is working the torch now.
Okay.
So now we stretch it out.
Yes, with you first.
Me first.
Yes.
Now we're making it thinner. I think we're about 10 cranks in. It's a lot thinner now. All right, just like that.
This is how it started, and this is 11 cranks later. Now it's my turn. I feel like this is taking a lot longer than 11 cranks.
Now it's time for the design.
Okay. From here until in here, you use for the practice, yeah. And then later.
Use it for practice?
Yes. This for the continue for your ring.
Okay.
Like this.
So just like that, huh?
At least you'll get a practice section.
I'm gonna need it. Am I doing it hard enough?
Yeah, it's okay. You can do it. I can fix later.
And this is my practice line. Okay, I got some time.
Are you almost ready for the real thing?
Probably not, but ready or not, I'm out of space to practice.
Feeling good?
I haven't gone outside the line yet. Alright, if you were gonna give me a grade, what do you think?
Keep doing still more hammering.
More hammering. I'll take a C minus.
Same but different.
Same but different. It's the kindest way to say it. While I've been tapping away on my ring, he has just made Jessica's perfect round ring. He just cut this oval by hand with a hacksaw. They were not kidding when they said this was handmade.
It is so cool to be able to watch something being made from start to finish like this and to be a part of it. So how long have you been making jewelry?
Oh, now already been 25 years.
Wow.
I start from 12 years old.
12 years old.
Yes.
Perfect fit.
10 to 19.
That's the date we first started traveling. It's perfect. Yeah. So this is for the antiquing?
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's my turn to do some polishing.
Gone.
Time for the stone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. That was such a fun and unique experience. When we first got to the workshop, he showed us several basic designs, but I was able to walk around the shop, get some inspiration, and come up with something completely new, and he made it happen no problem. And it was so cool to be a part of turning a bag of silver pellets into a handmade custom ring.
It wasn't exactly inexpensive. It was 450,000 rupiah a piece for the workshop, and that included 5 grams of silver. Mine was a little bit more expensive. Mine weighed 7 grams, and Jess's was a little more expensive because she added a stone. But when you consider we got a 4-hour workshop and 2 custom rings, $45 a piece really isn't bad.